Hi, I'm Evette Rios and welcome to Potions class. Today I'm going to show you 2 creepy concoctions that both kids and adults will enjoy. So let's get started, if you dare. The first drink is called I Can't Believe It, and it's a delicious lemony concoction, but it starts with these eyeballs right here, which are actually pretty darn creepy. So I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna put them right inside of these ice cube trays, and you're just gonna pour water into each of the little compartments. Okay, now I'm just gonna throw this in the freezer. We're gonna make our very first potion. So I'm gonna start out with some lime gelatin and then add 1 cup of boiling water. I'm gonna whisk that together. Okay, so to this, I'm gonna add lemonade and some lemon lime soda. Now you just cover it and chill it. Okay, this is chilled now, so it's time to assemble our drink. So to make this extra cool looking, I'm gonna add a little green rim to the top of the glass, and this is super easy to do. Put the rim of the glass into a little bit of light corn syrup, and then I'm gonna dip it into green sanding sugar. And if you've never used this stuff before, it's super fun. It comes in a bunch of colors. So once you've got your glass decorated, it's time to take out those eyeballs that we froze. They are so super cool. And then we just pour in our drink. Top it off with a beautiful straw. And the best part is, as the ice cubes start to melt, the eyeball gummy is exposed for a little creepy surprise. Our next concoction is perfect for all the vampires in your life. This one's called the Bloodsucker. So I've got this mold here for little skulls. They're so cool. Instead of using just plain water, I'm gonna use some fruit punch. So now I'm just gonna take this and put it in the freezer. And then this drink is super easy to make because it's literally equal parts fruit punch and cranberry juice cocktail. And that's it, our drink is pretty much done. So now it's time to decorate our glass, and I've got a really fun idea for that as well. I'm adding a little bit of red food coloring to the corn syrup to make it look all bloody and cool. And then I've got some black sanding sugar here. And you'll see when you put it back up that it'll start dripping in this super cool way. So here are my skull ice cubes. That is so awesome. See, it's all about the details. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all 4 of them in here. Yum. And because we wanted to add a little creepy touch, why not top it off with some gummy fangs? So you just cut through the center so it'll kind of sit on your glass like that. How awesome is that? And if you want to add a little bit more booze to your adult Halloween party, you can go ahead and spike either of these with your spirit of choice. Cheers.